In this session, we are going to discuss about rotor machine. This is also one of the classical encryption technique. Here, a machine with multiple stages of encryption. Okay, here the multiple stages of encryption will follow in the rotor machine. It consists of number of cylinders. Each cylinder it consists of 26 input bits and 26 output bits. Each input bit is associated with an alphabet. Each input is internally connected to an output. These cylinders will be rotating. After each keystroke, it will make a shift. Okay, the rotating, give an example of rotor machines. See the rotor machines first. See the rotor machines, multiple stages of encryption. The first one, ABC is our letter. Here the internally the electrical signals or electrical wires are there. The communicating to, okay, how to shifting the rotors. The first one, ABC. After that, the letters are numbering, the inside numbers and outside alphabets. The alphabets are, the numbers are moving to each cylinders. Okay, the different numbers in each cylinder. Here suppose ABC. ABC is numbering is 24, 25th, 26th. Here the 24 is internally connected. 25 is internally connected, 26 also internally connected. One cylinder output is next cylinder input. Okay, we'll take the 26 is taken 7. Here 25 will taken 22. Here 24 will taken 24. Again next cylinder will again the internal connection 7 to 7. 22 to 22 and 24 to 24. Again, the second cylinder output is the third cylinder input. Again, we'll take the third cylinder input 13, 18, 19. These letters are internally connected 18, 20, 13. These letters, what are the letters? B, E, I. The single stage of encryption, BEI. Okay, ABC is our plain text, BEI is our cipher text. This is one stage. This stage is again applied to the second stage of insisting stage. Okay, the direction of rotations. This is also direction of rotations. Here setting after one key stroke. Okay, first one is initial stage. We are applying to the ABC. We'll get the cipher text EI EBEI. Okay, here we are applying one keystroke. Keystroke is changing. In the before 24, 25, 26. Now our plain text is 23, 24, 25. The plain text letters are ABC only. The internal numbers will change. One number will change. Okay, one number will change 23, 24, 25. Will convert the internal wire connection 23, 24, 25. The first cylinder output is the second cylinder input will convert the letters 20, 23, 25. These three are internally connected. And again the second cylinder output is the third cylinder input. Here 1, 9, 17. 1, 9, 17 is internally connected. We'll get the DOY. Okay, what is our plain text is ABC. Our cipher text is DOI. Okay, here the multiple encryptions are performed in the rotor machines. Initial stage of rotor machine and one keystroke is applied, we will get the different cipher text. That is working of rotor machines conversion method. Same like that, this is our, give the output plain text and ciphertext. To improve the security, we use multiple number of cylinders. Why we are using multiple number of cylinders? To improve the security. We are providing the security. Outcomes of one cylinder will be connected to the input of the next cylinder. Okay. This is also completed in the rotor machine encryption and decryption method. And next one, steganography. This is a message may be hidden in one of two ways. The plain text message may be hidden or secret writing in one of the two ways. These methods of steganography conceal the existence of the message, whereas the methods of cryptography render the message unintelligible to outsiders by various transformations of the text. Okay, it consists of different types. It consists of different types. It is not an encryption method. It is a only, strictly speaking, steganography. Types of steganography. Some examples are the following. Suppose the character marking. Character marking. What is character marking? Selected letters are printed or typewritten. Text are overwritten in pencil. The marks are ordinarily not visible unless the paper is held at an angle to bright light. Okay, here we are applying the bright light on the paper. Okay, the selected papers, selected letters are printed or typewritten text are overwritten in pencil. Okay, we are using angle to bright light. Here in that paper, here the angle to bright light, after that visible the character marking. Okay, not apply the angle to bright light, we are see the only white paper. Apply the only an angle to bright light. Invisible ink. The number of substances can be used for writing but leave no visible trace until heat or some chemical is applied to the paper. Here some heat or some chemical is applied. Okay, after that will visible the invisible ink in a number of substances of the paper and the used for writing. And pin punchers. The small pin punchers on selected letters are ordinarily not visible unless the paper is held upon in front of light. Okay, the character marking angle to bright light, the invisible ink, here chemicals are applied or heat is also applied, the visible the writing. Oh, here also the pin punchers in front of a light. Okay, the paper will held up in front of light. Okay, the small pin punches are selected letters in ordinarily not visible. Next one, typewriter correction. Used between lines, typed with a block ribbon. The result of typing with a correction tape are visible only under a strong light. Here we are using strong light. We are using the typewriter is the ciphertext to plain text to ciphertext. There are now a number of software packages available that take this type of approach to steganography. Here some of the examples, some of the software packages is available. How to visible the data, how to visible the cipher text. Thank you.